We're here to talk about the construction in New York versus other places throughout the country. When you compare New York to other states and other cities, it's important to acknowledge the regulations that we have to go through in order to even get the project started. In New York, you have many buildings that are very high, the roads are small, and logistics are complicated. We need to ensure that the safety is followed, and we create job sites and construction sites which are safe for all the pedestrians to walk around. This is at the forefront of what we're trying to do in New York. And this is where the DOB comes in to make sure that we comply with all the rules and regulations. When we get a project at Nova, one of the first things we do is prepare a mobilization plan. This is a way of showing our clients what we're gonna do, where and how. So they have an idea. This is also great for the client because they could see and use this plan to prepare an access agreement for the neighboring properties. We at Nova believe in a great communication between the client and us. One of the things that we do for our clients is prepare 2-week look-ahead schedules. This is great because we can notify the building management to see where we're working and what we're gonna do, so they can notify their tenants what's gonna happen and let them know, listen, next week there will be some loud work. Please be advised of this. This is what we wanna make sure that the client is aware of the communication and the work that's gonna happen. This is a process that we have in Nova, then we guarantee our client will get this every 2 weeks. One of the problems that clients typically do not see on the job site is the constant communication and problem solving throughout the project. When we open up areas, we need to make sure that everything is safe. Everything that we open needs to be closed so the client is protected, and if there is a bad weather, there is no leaks. But there's also the foreman project manager. Communication is critical to make sure that when they work, the safety standards and the work is completed as per project requirements. It's also important to have a great communication with the architect, because when we open something new and we don't know what to do in certain situations, we need to reach out to them and get them to the project to make sure we have clear next steps of what to do and make sure that we're gonna take care of this situation properly. We're here. New York is one of the toughest places to work. Why? Insurance, safety, labor. All of these are not easy factors. You have constraints due to the space, to deliveries. We're doing all of this in one of the biggest cities in the world, with most regulations in the world, with the highest insurance rates in the world. It's good?